family from Real Connections. We are a counseling agency, but we're doing something different this year. We're going to start branching out and doing retreats. And our first retreat is located in Ames, Iowa. I know, Iowa. Why Iowa? It's a beautiful location, and Rick's going to tell you about it.
Let me tell you, this place is called Raspberry Hill. It's a Tudor mansion on 78 acres. Now, when we're there, you can have your fill of all 78 acres. There are places to hike. There are places to sit. You'll be able to see deer hanging about. You'll be able to be a part of nature in such a beautiful way. But this amazing Tudor mansion, you can go to our website at realconnectionscounseling.com /couples retreats. Now go back and make sure you got that, because on there will be pictures. There'll be a description of where we're going to be. But let me tell you, this mansion is beautiful. The woodwork is stunning. The beds are comfortable. There might even be a little karaoke. We'll see how that goes. But there's a big dining area, and there's a great big place for our personal chef to do his thing. Chef Easton is amazing with food. We can't wait to show you that. But this Tudor mansion is there's plenty of spaces to go. There's all kinds of ways to be together, and we are excited to put that on for you.
We look forward to having you join us. It's going to be in August 23 through 27, right in Iowa. We'd love to have you join us. Please click the link below if you'd like to set up an interview so that you can come to this retreat. Now, don't fear. If you can't do it this August, we're going to be having more retreats. You can also sign up on our website at Real Connections Counseling, say you want information or to be put on our mailing list for retreats, and we'd love to have you be a part of our email list for future retreats in wonderful places in the United States, not just in Iowa.
Nope, we're going to take you all over the place.
So keep that in mind if this is not the time for you.
Have a good day.